come with me to make a bikini. I'm gonna take y'all along with me and show you a little bit of the process. First things first, gotta hit the fabric store, find some fabrics you like, check the stretch on them, grab some supplies. You want to get some thread that match because you don't want to be looking tacky, and if you know, it's nothing like a fresh pair of scissors. And for this particular swimsuit, I basically made my own pattern, which I do not suggest at all. If you are a beginner, find one online, cut that out, print it out, whatever, and follow those directions. But basically, I just use a swimsuit that I already like the fit of and use that as a guide to make a pattern. And y'all, this fabric was so hard to work with. I was getting so frustrated because it was just so freaking slippery. But at the end of the day, I made it work, period. And funny story about the bottoms, I basically had to make what was supposed to be the back and use it as the front because when I tried that thing on, it was giving real skimpy up front, okay? It was giving coochie was about to fall out. But it's all right. It all worked out in the end. Here it is, final results. Overall, I was happy with how it came out, and here's how the bottoms fit.